Welcome back my dear beautiful friend. This tutorial I am going to show you delete Instagram app on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open settings. Once you are in the main settings menu, scroll all the way to the very bottom. Here you can find the apps or similar name. Once you found it, simply tap on it to open the page. After this page is open, you can use the search bar at the top right corner. Here simply type Instagram. After that, you can find the exit Instagram app name. Tap on it to open the next app info page. After this page is open, look at the bottom menu bar. You can see various options. Find the uninstall option, simply click on it. Then confirm by tapping the uninstall button again of your phone. Once you have complete, there the pop-up message uninstalling Instagram. This means you have successfully done. To check it where, go back to home page, open app door, swipe right to left or left to right, use search bar. You can try to find the Instagram app, but this time no longer be app needed there. This means you have successfully deleted. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel to support them.